Squad, what's up? I'm back with another tutorial to keep you guys skipping fit the fun way. As always, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Skip Squad Fitness. Okay, so today I'm going to show you a step I've done before. It's the crisscross step. It's a crisscross step. If you remember, if you followed my tutorials before, it looks like this, right? Now I'm going to teach you how to do it laterally. So you're going to go from one side to another, crisscrossing. What's good about lateral crisscrossing is it makes you think more. So it's good with your memory, your movement, and getting your body moving in a different way, all in the same time. So the lateral crisscross is going to look something like this. So you're going to go back and forth. You should take it easy. It's not too hard, but keep it simple. Now I'm going to try it with the skipping rope. All right, let's do it. You see how I'm traveling around? So it's the same step like this, but when you're moving left and right, you're engaging your brain differently and you're working more of your muscles simultaneously. See, so that is the lateral crisscross. So once again, what's really good about that is you're engaging all your body simultaneously as you're moving left and right, back and forth. And it really helps you to engage your memory, again your timing, puts a little bit more pressure. But like I said before, you're moving your body in a slightly different way, getting the most out of your workout. So again, with it, like normal skipping, when you bounce up and down, you land with your feet crossing. So you land like this. That's how it works. Criss, cross. You can do any foot to front, as long as you're crossing, then you just move. You just move your body either to the left or to the right. Left or to the right. Just take your time, get your flow, get your rhythm. You practice a little bit, and then you add your skipping rope. One more time. Let's get it. Okay. So the rope again. So you can take it easy and do it slowly, or you can do it really advanced and go really fast. But you just keep your body moving, keep yourself crossing, and that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. So guys, once again, that's the crisscross step. I love doing it. It's great fun, as you can see. Thanks again for following my squad, guys. Skip Squad Fitness. I'm going to bring you lots of interesting content, techniques, and beautiful scenes like my second home in England, Swansea. Don't forget, guys, follow me on Instagram, send me DMs. I'm based in London, Skip Squad Fitness. If you're watching this on YouTube, like, subscribe, tell a friend to get a skipping rope and skip with you. I'm on YouTube at Skip Squad Fitness. Whatever you do, guys, skip, dance, live your best life. I'm out.